Introduction: Python in AI and Deep Learning.
Python is at the heart of artificial intelligence and deep learning. Its simple syntax, extensive libraries, and active community make it the preferred language for professionals in these fields. Understanding which Python skills and tools are essential will give you a strong foundation for tackling real-world AI projects and advancing your career in technology.
Core Python concepts you must know.
Before diving into AI, mastering core Python is crucial. Focus on data structures like lists, dictionaries, and sets, as they are widely used for data manipulation. Functions, classes, and object-oriented programming are also key, enabling you to write reusable and efficient code. Understanding modules and error handling will ensure stability in complex AI projects.
Working with data, NumPy and Pandas.
Data is the backbone of AI. NumPy provides fast operations on large numerical arrays, while Pandas simplifies data cleaning, transformation, and analysis. These libraries are foundational for preparing data before building any machine learning or deep learning models, making them must-have skills for anyone serious about AI.
Machine learning basics with Scikit-learn.
Scikit-learn offers accessible tools for machine learning, including algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, and evaluation. Learn how to pre-process data, split datasets, train models, and interpret results using Scikit-learn. This sets the stage for more advanced deep learning work and gives you practical experience in building intelligent systems.
Deep learning with TensorFlow and PyTorch.
To build neural networks, you need to master frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. These libraries allow you to construct, train, and deploy deep learning models efficiently. Focus on understanding tensors, model architecture, backpropagation, and GPU acceleration. Mastery of at least one of these libraries is essential for success in modern deep learning tasks.
Visualization and model interpretation.
Communicating results is a vital skill. Libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn help you visualize data distributions, model training progress, and outcomes. Clear visualizations and good interpretation make your AI work understandable and actionable, which is crucial whether you're collaborating with teams or presenting to stakeholders.
Next steps: practice and continuous learning.
To excel in AI and deep learning, keep practicing and learning. Work on real-world projects, participate in online challenges, and stay updated with libraries and techniques. By building a strong Python foundation and continually expanding your skills, you'll be well prepared for a successful career in this rapidly evolving field.